welcome back again to another interesting vlog. So guys, in this vlog, just watch from the beginning to the end. I promise you're not going to regret watching this vlog because this vlog is going to be interesting. You see, the most interesting part of this vlog is at the end of this video. Have you seen the viral coffin prank on my kids? Watch to see my kids reaction, so watch this video to the end. So let's dive. So guys, this is Sunday morning. Okay, on this day I didn't go to church. It was only my husband that went to church, so I have a traditional marriage to attend. Yes, one of my best friends, okay, that's I met in NYSC camp. She's doing her trad in Lagos State and she's doing it today. Okay, so yeah, so I will be making catfish pepper soup. Okay, so I'm done preparing everything. This is catfish in the pot. I've already added ingredients like scent leaf, all the whole ingredients that I needed to prepare this pepper soup. So in here the pepper soup is ready. Like, guess what, this pepper soup came out so delicious. Like, I can't tell you how my family ate this. Okay, so this is me, my own, and the kids. So then my girl has now come. This video, I made this video on the 8th month of June. Yeah, 8th day of June. Okay, so yeah, so let me tell you, this is the most delicious catfish pepper soup I have ever seen. So this place is we stocking in the provision. So here we have Sililac, we have Royal Milk Carton, we have Nan Milk, that is for my little baby. Then we have Golden More. Sililac is for my baby, Golden More is for the older ones. Then we have Milo. So Milo we didn't buy carton. So this place is my best friend Trad. Okay, so congratulations to you, Shedema. God bless your new home. Your new home is already blessed. Okay, God is going to favor you with every good thing that follows marriage. Okay, your marriage, a lot of people will celebrate you. Money will come, children will come. The money people will use to raise their children, you will never lack it in the mighty name of Jesus. You have been a good friend to me. Even during my own traditional marriage in 2019, you were there for me. Two of us went to the market. If you follow me, travel to the east. I celebrate you, my darling. God bless you. God bless you, Chideba. Your home is already blessed. You're one in town. So guys, this is me in another day. Okay, after cooking this soup now, I said, okay, make I just sample it. You know, now as a cook, if you cook finish now, you do video now for people to see what your work looks like. Okay, so let's head to another interesting video. So after this, the next day, I was making bitter leaf soup. Okay, so let me allow you to watch. We're gonna come back again. Happy Father's Day to you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Today is Father's Day. Yeah. Happy Father's Day to the love of my life.
Thank you, darling.
So, Shisom, I was coughing. You did not even bother to come and help me. Eh? I was coughing. You did not even bother to come and help me. You are busy watching cartoon, right? And Shisom, you are busy watching cartoon. Your two brothers came with your hands came to help you, and you did not even bother. Yes, you people have seen it too. Don't even care. I am heading to nearby markets now to go and get some stuff. Don't mind the background noise, it is January, so I am outside and at the bank door. So I want to go and get some food items. Okay, just few things that I need at home. So my kids are sleeping, everybody, all of them are sleeping. So let me quickly go now for the record. Then when I come back, I'm going to talk to you guys, okay? I'm not going to carry this my phone, I'm going to drop it. I still let me update you guys first before going. So when I'm back, I'm going to show you guys what I get, okay? I love you guys. Like I said before, I didn't need much. Okay, so I just needed some sweet potato and Irish potato and some fresh tomatoes. So that is all. Okay, yeah, so subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. You're going to like what we are doing here. Okay, tomatoes are very cost. This few Irish potato here, you can see this Irish tomato, Irish potato and the sweet potato you're seeing here now. This is 5,000 naira. Irish potato 3,000, sweet potato 2,000, 5,000. These tomatoes you're seeing here now is 3,500. That is half pence. Not be smarting again in the country. It is not easy. It is not easy again. Tonight we're going to be taking tea. So let's boil some hot water for tea, okay? Hello. So we're going to be getting some plates, okay, and cup for the kids. Yes. So all these are for the kids. So I'm going to be getting some straw for the kids. So I'm going to use straw too. So it's time to raise this cup. So guys, here ends the end of this vlog. Okay, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for your massive support. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.